So this is the KLIM boombox. I just turned the music off. You heard it going. The music on this it's not great, but it's certainly not bad for a unit of this size. It's got a nice front screen that I've just turned off. Let me turn it back on again so you can have a quick look. Lets you flip through the modes. I've just got it charging right now. There's the back, on, off, power, USB, auxiliary and headphones as well. This is the CD player. It's okay. It's a little bit chintzy. It doesn't open up all the way. It's fine. It works okay. Mode, it flips through Bluetooth, CD, auxiliary, and FM radio, which it'll do as well. Overall, well, it also comes with 3.5-inch jacks and a remote. It doesn't need the plug-in. It's got its own internal battery. I've just run it out of power, which is why I've got it plugged in right now. For the price, this is a really great little unit. I don't think I'd use it to power a whole party or anything like that, but certainly it's great for what I'm going to use it for, which is just playing music while I'm working in the kitchen. A great little unit, particularly at this sub $90 price. It's as good or great as anything else that's out there.
Accettami così, ti prego non guardare. Nella mia testa c'è un mondo da ignorare. Voglio che tu sia mia complice discreta. Accettami, sarai la mia bambola di seta. Accettami, vedrai, andremo fino in fondo. Non pensare a cosa è giusto e cosa sta cambiando. Andiamo a venía.
I'll be beside the phone, waiting for you. Why do you build me up, buttercup baby, just to let me down and mess me around? And the worst of all, you never call baby when you say you will. But I love you still, I need you.
You're looking just a little too hard at me, standing just a little too close to me. You say you're not quite enough to me.